Placing an order. Not all of these points must be covered in an order letter, only those that apply directly to you. Opening. In the opening of your letter, make it clear there is an order with the letter. For example, you can start with the enclosed order. Enclosed, you will find our official order. I would like to place an order, or please find enclosed. Payment. Confirm the terms of payment. For example, you can say, we would like to confirm that payment is to be made, or as agreed, payment will be. Discounts. Confirm any discounts that may have been agreed on. For example, you can say, we would like to thank you for the discount you allowed us. We would like to confirm that the discount is satisfactory. Although we anticipated a higher discount, we will place a trial order and hope the discount can be reviewed in the future. Delivery. If necessary, confirm when the goods will be delivered. For example, it is essential that the goods are delivered. Please confirm that the order can be completed by or before. Methods of delivery. If needed, advise the company how you would like your goods shipped. For example, please send goods by, we advise delivery by, or could you please ship the goods by? Also, if needed, tell your supplier how you would like the goods to be packed. Closing. Make sure to close the letter with a final statement of thanks. For example, we hope this will be the first of many orders we place with you. I look forward to receiving your confirmation. Or, if this order is filled to our satisfaction, we will place further orders in the future.